Hello guys, in this video I have two mathematical expressions and you can see those expressions, and I have to find the x value. My first expression is x second power plus y second power equals 2. This is my first mathematical expression, and my second one is xy multiplication equals 2. This is my second expression. Using my second expression, I can isolate y equals 1 divided by x. Then I have to substitute this 1 divided by x value into my first expression. Then I can rearrange my first expression as x square plus 1 divided by x brackets second power equals 2. Then I can simplify this expression as x square plus 1 divided by x square equals 2. Then I want to remove this x square from both sides, so I have to multiply both sides from x square. Then you can see that x square within brackets x square plus 1 divided by x square equals 2x square. Then I have to multiply this expression from x square, and I can rewrite or rearrange this expression as x fourth power plus 1 equals 2x square. Using this expression, I can find the x value. Now you know how to take this expression x fourth power plus 1 equals 2x second power. Then I want to simplify this expression to find the x value. Then I can take this 2x second power into this side, x fourth power minus 2x square plus 1 equals 0. Then I can rearrange this expression according to some basic theories like this: x second power minus 1 bracket total second power of this expression equals 0. And you can expand this mathematical expression and you can take this expression. Then solving this expression, I can have x minus 1 x square minus 1 equals 0. That means x square equals 1. Then I can take the x value, x equals plus or minus 1.